Hey guys, Mr. HERO here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you a GoPro. It's called a HERO3 Plus Black Action Camera, Black Edition, whatever you want to call it. The normal edition is 3 Plus and it's black. It's called Black Edition. Black Edition of this one is 4K recording basically. The normal GoPro Hero 3 doesn't record in 4K. So yeah, this is the high-end model and you can pick this up for about 100 quid. Very cheap. This is my entry to the GoPro market. Also got a Samsung 64 gig SD card, whatever you call it. This one came for free. It didn't come with this though. I just got this for free because I don't even know why I got it for free, but I got that for free. Can't remember why, because this has been sat here for about 4 months. I'm very slow at this recording stuff, as you can tell. It's a heat wave at the moment in summer in England, UK, the whole world basically. 38 degrees I believe, so that's why I've not really been at home, been mainly outside, so that's why sorry about these videos being late. Alright guys, so let me show you around the box. Box is pretty empty, it just says GoPro everywhere. Got a code there. I believe this comes with a 1-year warranty from GoPro themselves. Join the GoPro movement. There's a bit of damage on the box, not sure why. I did notice that when I got it, but oh well. Okay, oh, it opens just like that. Thought I have to cut this open. Might actually have to. Yeah, I think I have to cut that open, yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this open. It's fucking boiling in here, guys, and scissors are dirty. Let me just wipe these scissors. I don't know what that is, it might be glue. But yeah, it's stuck on there. So yeah, I'll go ahead and try to cut this open with this. It's gonna be very hard. There you go. There you go. Go for the next side. Okay. So now it should just straight open. Yep. There you go. I believe they give you a free remote with it and everything. Bluetooth one. Or was a Wi-Fi one? Can't remember. But yeah. Okay, so that's the cover for it to protect it. And they give you this waterproof cover as well, I believe. Let me have a look. Yeah. So it comes in this waterproof case, as you can tell. Very nice. Means you can take it underwater and stuff. And this is the GoPro mount that's standard. I've got loads of GoPro accessories from ages ago when my sponsors gave me them, so I'll be looking forward to making videos with that. The main reason I got this GoPro is because I'm going to make a lot of car videos, point of view car videos, so look forward to them if you're into cars. First thing I'm going to do is probably drive my own car, show you that with point of view. I wish I could take this out, it's very hard. I believe this is the battery. Bloody hell, that's in there. There you go. Yeah, so this is the battery. You can buy some more spare. So it's 3.7 volts, 1000 milliamps. It's not that big, but to say it's Hero 3 and there's a Hero 7 out at the moment, so it's a very old camera, which does the job quite well. I don't think that has a image stabilization. It does have it, but it's not good. It doesn't have it on the but it doesn't have the gyroscopic one, the good one basically. So it's very shit. So yeah, let me just see what else you get in the box. Okay, that's the charger, I believe. Yep. Yeah, that's the charger. What the hell? Wi-Fi remote keyring. What the? That package that separately. What the hell, man? Don't know what that is. Door skeleton slim fenister. Something on this, I believe. Maybe spare door, maybe. I'm not sure. Not 100% sure about that. You got some 3M tape shit. This, I don't like 3M, too sticky. Yeah, these are mounts. It can be used on anything. That's the remote itself. Wow, that's a nice remote, guys. Oh shit, son. Oh shit, I turned it on. Yeah, battery low. I don't know if it takes batteries or if you can charge it. Ah, you can charge it. That's good. I'm glad about that. Oh yeah, it's connected by Wi-Fi. That's pretty sick. This is another mount. Accessory vertical W pad. Not sure what that is. And this is a mini USB, not a micro. It's the old one. That's old MP3 players use. Mini USB. So yeah, I've not seen that in a while. But this is old. So yeah, you get this nice manual. Hero 3 Black Edition. Let me show you this. Then we'll have a look at the camera. Okay, this makes no. Okay, this is too long. I will have to look at this in my own time. Let's have a look at the camera itself. I'll go over some specs for you. So yeah, this is the Hero 3 Black Edition. It's got Wi-Fi remote. I picked up for 100 quid. Okay, so you can do 4K in 15 FPS though, which is poor. For its time, it's very good because it's a very old camera. You can do 2.7K, which is 1440. No, that's not 1440p. That's the middle. So that's not 2K, 3K, near to 3K at 30 FPS, which is pretty good. You can do 2K, which is 1440p at 48 FPS, so that's pretty good as well. And that's the max my phone can see anyway, so I'll probably be using that setting. You can do 1080p in 60 FPS. You can do in 960p, you can do 100 FPS, that's usually slow motion. 720p you can do 120 FPS, which is slow motion as well, usually. Captures 12 megapixel single pictures like that, bam, bam, bam. You can do 30 FPS burst mode photos. Super view mode, so you can check it like, while you're recording and stuff. And they got a mini display there to know when if you're taking selfies and stuff. Okay, it's got auto low light mode, built-in Wi-Fi, durable and waterproof case. Got the GoPro app with the Wi-Fi remote control. And yeah. So the stuff that's included is the rechargeable battery, standard housing, standard back door, curved adhesive mount, flat adhesive mount, 3-way pivot arm, and yeah. And you do get 1 year warranty. That's pretty cool. I'm surprised they're still selling this because it's very old. But yeah, let me try turning on. I believe you hold it. Oh, not this one, that's the capture one, sorry. Hold the top one. Oh, I just realized it won't turn on because the fucking battery is there, guys. Sorry for my language, but yeah, the battery is there, so yeah, it's up there. No wonder it's not turning on, but yeah, it probably doesn't have charge, so I'm gonna have to charge and stuff. So yeah, just check out my car videos, you'll see the quality of it. And I might upgrade to a GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition, because that I've seen really nice videos of that camera on the point of views, and they're amazing, guys. This will do the job for now, but if I do decide to get a Hero 7, then I'll use the Hero 7 as my main camera for point of views, and then this will be like a up close camera, maybe looking at my speedometer or something, just to give you different angles and stuff, or something like that. Maybe I might mount it outside, looking at the wheel, or like on the side or something. It'll be pretty cool. You'll get to see that when I edit it really nicely. So yeah, anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new. Check out my other videos, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.